Custom Glaze is a great looking flat polycarbonate product that is still as easy to install as corrugated roofing. It has a ridge on each edge which allows you to overlap the sheets and therefore doesn't require any joining or glazing bars. The end result is a similar look to clear flat glazing but without the cost. Custom Glaze can be around 3 to 4 times cheaper than solid acrylic or polycarbonate roofing and glazing bars. It's a great intermediate product between normal corrugated clear roofing and high-end solid flat roofing or glass. The sheets are 610mm from the centre to the centre of each ridge, with a large flat pan in between. They come up to 7.2 metres long. They require purlins going across underneath the sheet at no more than 1500mm apart. And if you want to hide the joins, you can put the rafters at 610mm apart. This video shows grey tint custom glaze being installed on a curved aluminium pergola. If you're installing on a timber pergola, you can use noise stop tape on the purlins to eliminate noise from expansion and contraction of the sheets. This pergola has curved rafters at 1220mm apart, so every second overlap or join will be hidden. The purlins are 1500mm apart. You can remove the plastic protective layer before installing the sheets. Set the first sheet up ensuring it's square, then fasten the outside edge. The sheets have an underlapping ridge, which is slightly smaller than the overlapping ridge, so ensure you have them the correct way around. Also ensure that the overlaps are facing away from the prevailing wind. You need to put a fastener in where the ridge meets the purlin. If the ridge is also over a rafter, you can put more fasteners in along that ridge for added strength. Make sure you pre-drill the hole with a 12mm drill bit to allow for expansion and contraction. Continue installing the sheets by overlapping them and fastening them down along the purlins. If there's a bow in the sheet, it may be that the fastener is too tight, so just loosen that off slightly. If you're in a high wind zone and you find that the top or bottom edge of the sheets is rattling, you can also put a fastener in the middle of the pan on that edge. The steeper the pitch of the roof, the better it will be for water and sediment runoff. Custom Glaze performs best on roofs that are steeper than 10 degrees. If you get to the end and need to trim a sheet down, you'll be cutting off one of the edges. This will make that edge very flexible, so just ensure that it's fully supported underneath by a rafter or a batten all the way along the edge. Then you can put another batten or capping or similar on the top to hold that edge down.